Here you can add products to your bundle. At first, click on the Add Products button. Select products that you want to add from the opened list. Also, when choosing a product, there is a Search Product option, which you can use so as not to scroll through a long list of products. After you have added a product or product variant, it will be assigned to a separate section of the bundle widget. You can add another product or product variant to this section so the customer will be able to choose between multiple products instead of buying them together. Click the Add Variant to this item button and choose another product or product variant that will be able to select by the customer along with the initial product. Customers will still be able to choose the variants for these products. Multiposition allows you to set up various combinations of products. For example, you can create a regular bundle consist of specific products and then give customers the possibility to choose one of the additional products. Select products with variants, and it will look like this. Customers can select variants of product before adding a bundle to the cart. You can select items without variants or only specific variants of the product. It will be displayed in the store like that. You can mix products with variants and without. You can add a product and adjust its quantity. If the product has variants, customers can choose it for every item, otherwise, items will group. You can create a bundle that consists only of specific variants of single product. Just add one product, then click on the Add Product again and add another variant. If you are satisfied with the bundle content, then make sure you add at least 2 products, all of them are active, and click on Next Step.